Neon flickers on a rusted motel sign. Got last night's letters crumpled in the ashtray. I ain't crying, just smeared my black eyeliner line. You said I'd freeze without your fire beside me. Guess you never met a girl that burns this bright. Leather jacket, flask of old Kentucky, steel string heart that's itching for a fight. Every mile I put between us feels like another match I strike. I was yours in early autumn, but I'm my own in winter. Why? There's snow on my boots and heat in my veins. Radio loud over whistling trains. Moon on the ice, silver on the pines, but I'm running hot on a January night. Don't need your love to keep me warm. I'm a blizzard in a little black dress, riding this storm. You can keep your safe and your sweet perfume. I'll take cold skies, cheap shots in a crowded saloon. Yeah, the frost might bite, but the truth is clear. I'm a honky-tonk hurricane blowing through this year. Stomp the slush off these old boots at the door. Bartender grins, says, girl, you back again. I trade your memory for another 90 proof. Band fires up and I just lost another friend. He said, ain't you scared driving home at midnight? I said, sugar, I was raised on black ice lanes. If heartache's just a little skid and slide, then baby, let me hydroplane. Every dance I spin without you feels like freedom on the floor. Leave my fingerprints on bar stools, but my name ain't on your door. There's snow on my boots and heat in my veins. Radio loud over whistling trains. Moon on the ice, silver on the pines, but I'm running hot on a January night. Don't need your love to keep me warm. I'm a blizzard in a little black dress, riding this storm. You can keep you safe and your sweet perfume. I'll take cold skies, cheap shots in a crowded saloon. Yeah, the frost might bite, but the truth is clear. I'm a honky-tonk hurricane blowing through this year. These nights get long, yeah, the roads get slick, but my two-lane soul loves living on the edge of it. They say, girl, slow down, you'll crash and burn. I light my Marlboro off the bridges that I turn. Snowflakes spinning in the taillight, red like confetti for the life I ain't lived yet. If too much means I'm finally me, crank the Telecaster, let my wild heart breathe. Ain't you good, girl, sitting home shivering? I'm whiskey on ice and the bass line quivering. Let the north wind howl, let the stars align. I'll be dancing on the bar, yelling, this life's mine. There's snow on my boots and heat in my veins. Band playing loud through the storm and trains. Moon on the ice, silver on the pines. I'm still running hot on a February night. Don't need your love to keep me warm. I'm a blizzard in a little black dress, riding this storm. You can keep your rules and your white picket view. I'll take late nights, loud drums, and a scar or two. Yeah, the frost might bite, but the truth's right here. I'm a honky-tonk hurricane, baby, wild and clear. Snow on my boots, ash on my lips. I raise my glass to all the girls like this. If you're freezing in somebody else's lies, kick the dust, hit the road, let your rebel ride.